Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare BMW X6 vs Jeep Trackhawk, which is better. Follow along as I break down performance, comfort, and value so you can decide which SUV matches your priorities. I'll explain engine feel, handling, interior quality, and typical ownership costs with clear comparisons. Stay tuned for practical takeaways and a quick recommendation at the end to help you pick. I'll walk through how each model performs on road and track, focusing on power delivery, braking, and steering feel. The Trackhawk brings brute horsepower and straight line pace, while the BMW X6 emphasizes balance and refined handling. I'll compare acceleration numbers, fuel use, and real-world driving impressions to show where each excels. Listen for how ride quality affects daily comfort and which car suits spirited driving versus relaxed cruising. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more practical car videos. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used during shoots. Check the description for the link and current deals. On another note, keeping snacks and meals secure matters on long drives and helps you focus on driving. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I cover interiors, technology, and ownership costs, so you know what life with each SUV looks like. The BMW offers upscale finishes and a smoother cabin. The Trackhawk delivers performance-focused materials and a tougher vibe. I'll discuss infotainment ease, seating comfort, cargo practicality, and expected insurance or maintenance differences to highlight true ownership value. By the end, you'll understand trade-offs beyond headline numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.